Are you trying to decide between SaleHoo and Spocket for sourcing products for your niche market? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into both of these platforms, comparing what they offer, where they excel, and where they might fall short, especially when it comes to niche product sourcing. Stick with me till the end because I'll share my personal recommendation based on hands-on experience, and trust me, it might not be what you expect. Let's get into it. SaleHoo is known for its massive supplier directory, offering access to thousands of wholesale suppliers. It's particularly popular among new dropshippers or those focusing on general products. But how does it stack up for niche markets? The first thing to consider is the sheer volume. While SaleHoo gives you access to over 8,000 suppliers, finding the right niche supplier might take more time. It's a bit like searching through a giant catalog. You'll likely need to do a lot of filtering to find those hidden gems that match your niche exactly. Next thing to consider is the product selection itself. SaleHoo offers a wide range of product categories, but it doesn't always excel at niche-specific products. If you're focusing on something very particular, like eco-friendly or handmade items, you might find yourself having to dig deeper or end up with broader options that don't quite match your target audience's specific needs. This can make it harder to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. Moving on to Spocket, this platform tends to focus more on quality over quantity. They've built a reputation for working with suppliers who offer high-quality, unique products, especially from the US and EU. This could give you a major advantage if your niche market requires quality over just any product. However, the catch here is that while their selection may be more curated, it's not as vast as SaleHoo's. This can be a good thing if you're targeting specific niches, but it also limits your options if you're just getting started and want to test a wider range of products. The fourth thing to talk about is integrations. Spocket integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, making it an excellent choice if you're looking for a hassle-free setup. SaleHoo, on the other hand, doesn't offer as robust of an integration system, especially for dropshipping. You can still manually upload products to your store, but it requires more effort on your part. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing. SaleHoo has a one-time membership fee, which might seem like a good deal if you plan on sourcing a lot of products. However, with Spocket, you'll be looking at a monthly subscription fee, which can be a turnoff for some. But keep in mind that Spocket's subscription gives you access to a curated list of suppliers who've already been vetted for quality, which could save you time in the long run. Now, let's talk about customer support. Both platforms offer customer service, but I've found that Spocket tends to provide more responsive and helpful support when it comes to niche product inquiries. This could be crucial if you run into issues or need more personalized help finding the right products for your market. So, after comparing both SaleHoo and Spocket, here's my personal take. While both platforms have their strengths, if you're specifically looking for niche products, I think you might be better off with Spocket. SaleHoo is great for broad markets, but if you want high quality, unique products tailored to a specific niche, Spocket's curated selection and better integrations make it the better choice. Now, the softwares mentioned here are good, but after trying them myself, I believe there's a better alternative for sourcing products that are tailored to your niche market. If you want a better option and want to take advantage of a free trial, check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available, which you won't find anywhere else. So, don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that trial through the link below.